Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve asset management with State Street, full guide step by step clearly. In this video, we will guide you on how to improve asset management with State Street. First, understand your current asset management strategy. Evaluate the strengths and weaknesses of your existing processes. Next, identify the key performance indicators that matter most to your organization. This will help you assess your current performance accurately. Once you have your KPIs defined, gather data related to these metrics. Utilize State Street's analytical tools to streamline data collection. These tools can provide insights into market trends and portfolio performance. Now, it's time to engage with State Street's specialists for tailored advice. Schedule a consultation to discuss your specific asset management needs. Their expertise can provide solutions that align with your organizational goals. Next, leverage State Street's technology platforms for improved efficiency. These platforms offer advanced analytics, reporting, and risk management capabilities. As you implement these tools, ensure your team is trained and equipped to use them. Organizing training sessions will maximize the potential of these technologies. Afterward, focus on integrating State Street's services with your operations. This will create a seamless workflow for your asset management activities. Regularly review your progress against your defined KPIs. Set up monthly or quarterly check-ins to stay on track. Adjust your strategies as needed based on performance data. Finally, foster an open line of communication with State Street. This partnership will ensure you stay informed about industry changes and opportunities. By following these steps, you can enhance your asset management capabilities effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.